How to buy options in Moo. So you can go ahead directly inside your Moo app. Make sure you download this app already in your Play Store or App Store and log into your account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create one, of course. And you're gonna have to have funds inside your account first. So just go ahead and deposit some funds first. So once you have enough funds, you go ahead to your markets over here and find the options, which should be found in the top over here. But once you have done so, just go ahead and choose from the options that is available for options right here. So US stock, US index, CME futures, HK stock, or HK index. So it's gonna show you basically market overview, unusual activity, top indices, option rankings as well. But you should be able to see the options over here on top indices. Of course, depending on which option you chose. But let's just go ahead to US stock over here. So just go ahead and choose from whichever and choose a specific option. You'll be able to see the bid, ask, and price details. You can go ahead and choose buy or sell. But since you're going for buy, you can do so. Choose the amount as well. Then you'll be able to see the details if you scroll up as well. So max profit, profit probability as well, and pretty much everything else. You can go ahead and change this as well. Then you can change your strategy as well, depending on you. There's even a custom option if you want. But once you have set everything, just go ahead and press on trade. But that is pretty much how you go get yourself or buy options on Moomoo. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.